Today we're learning cute baby girl hairstyles. Let's style together. First, we'll make fun pigtails. Brush, part, and tie with bows.
Now, let's try a princess crown braid. Twist and wrap like magic. French braid time. Start high, add strands, and braid to the tip.
Snip, snip. A short and shiny bob cut. Cute and smart. High ponytail time. Brush, tie, and shine. Ready to play. Let's try a funny, messy bun. Twist, clip, and done. Let's make space buns. Twist, tie, and puff. Cute enough for stars above. Now a sweet heart braid for love and smiles every day.